Well, hello everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy on July 4th into another
Take the next right onto Victoria Point.
Gated community today, and we've got some locks to change out on this fine July 4th day. As you can see how beautiful things are here, no question about it.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Pine Cay.
We've got the beautiful country club over there. We're going to be, what did they say? Brittany Bay, the Sandy Cay? No, I don't think he said that. We're actually going to be heading up here. I thought he said, maybe I missed the turn. No, we can actually come up here.
Take the next right onto Pine Cay.
There is Pine Cay. We're going to Pine Cay. Look at it, beautiful homes here. Yes, Mr. Sunshine Realtor Eddy has been here before. We know the game better than anybody. As Locksmith
in 1,000 feet, turn left onto Sandy Cay.
Realtor Eddy. We're going up here to Sandy Cay. Take a look at these nice homes here. I've done many of the gated communities here in Palm Beach County and Broward and St. Lucie and Martin, so I'm no stranger to spectacular gated communities other than the size of the homes. That's about it. We can go up to $175 million mansions in Palm Beach, and we did, these are about $650 to $850, 800,000.
Take the next left onto Sandy Cay, then your destination will be on the left.
Beautiful it is. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine Live.